Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a quick soup. First, gather your ingredients. Think about what you have on hand, like fresh or frozen vegetables, a protein such as cooked chicken or beans, and a good quality broth. Chop all your vegetables into small, uniform pieces. This helps them cook quickly and evenly. Make sure you have a sturdy pot ready to go. Now, let's build some flavor. Heat about 1 tablespoon of olive oil in your pot over medium heat. Add chopped onions and garlic, cooking until fragrant, usually for about 2 minutes. Next, toss in your harder vegetables, like carrots or celery, and sauté for 5 to 7 minutes until they start to soften. Finally, pour in 4 to 6 cups of your chosen broth and bring it to a gentle simmer. With your broth simmering, it's time for the final additions. If you're using a cooked protein like shredded chicken or canned beans, stir it in now to warm through. For quick cooking items such as spinach, kale, or small pasta, add them during the last 5 minutes of cooking. This prevents them from becoming overcooked. Taste your soup and adjust the seasoning with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. Your quick soup is almost ready. Turn off the heat and let it rest for just a few minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Ladle your warm, comforting soup into bowls. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh parsley, cilantro, or a swirl of a half cup of heavy cream. Enjoy your delicious, homemade meal that came together so easily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.